Hello students, I am going to continue with the chapter Complex Numbers of 11th Standard. Exercise 1.1, question number 3, in which there are total 20 to 25 examples, and we start with the question number 3 and example number 4. So the example is a into bi is equals to 3a minus b plus 12i. So a into b I मतलब ये जो I, that is imaginary number, is connected to the AB. So there is no any real part. So instead of this we can write 0 as a real part. So here there is no any real part. So I write it here 0 for that one. So 0 plus a into bi is equals to 3a minus b plus 12i. So here we going to compare with the real parts and imaginary part. So the imaginary part are I just underline here. Comparing real and imaginary parts, so what we get? So 3a minus b is a real part, so comparing with it we get here 0, and ab is equals to 12. So here we can find out the value, that is 3a is equals to b, and now we are going to put down this value of b, that is 3a here. So a, instead of writing b, we can write the value of b as a 3a. And so 3a square, that is 12, and a square is equals to 12 by 3, so a square is equals to 4, and so the value of a is plus minus 2. Now we are going to put down this value a here again to find out the value of b. So b is equals to 3a, the value of a is plus minus 2, and so the value of b is plus minus 6. So this is the answer, that is the value of a is plus minus 2 and the answer of b is plus minus 6, because in this question we have to find out the values of a and b by comparing with the a plus bi. Now the example number 5 from the same question, the question is that we have to compare this example with the a plus bi and we have to find out the value of a and b. So 1 upon a plus ib is equals to 3 minus 2i. So here we are going to take the invertendo. Invertendo means on both sides we have to take the inverse. So after taking inverse we get this quantity in the numerator. So a plus ib is equals to 1 upon 3 minus 2i. So we have to compare this with this one. So I keep it as it is, and for this 1 upon 3 minus 2i I taking the conjugate pair of this one. So you know how to find out the conjugate. Just we have to change the sign. So 3 plus 2i we have to multiply and divide the example with this same number, and we continue this term on the left side as it is. So 3 plus 2i into 1, that is 3 plus 2i, and here we see the formula of a plus b and a minus b. Just I am going to write down the formula, that is a plus b in second bracket a minus b, and so the answer we get it a square minus b square. And so by using this formula we get here, that is 3 square minus 2i square, and 3 plus 2i, 3 square is 9, minus 2 square, that is 4i square. So 3 plus 2i upon 9 minus 4, and the value of I square is minus 1. Just you have to mention here, and minus minus is plus, so 9 plus 4, and the remaining quantities are as it is. So this one is as it is, 9 plus 4, that is 13, and now we have to separate these terms. So separate the denominator, that is 3 upon 13 plus 2 upon 13i. And now comparing with the real part and imaginary part with this one. So यहाँ पे ये जो real part है वो इससे compare होगा. So the value of a is 3 upon 13 and the value of b is 2 upon 13. So this is the answer. So these are all about the question number 3. Now we start with the question number 4. So see what is the question. Question is, express the following in the form of a plus bi, where a, b belongs to r, and I is the root of minus 1, and find the values of a and b. So the question is again same, but the pattern is different. Now see, यहाँ पे हमें दो brackets का product दिया है. So a plus 2i and in second bracket minus 2 plus i. So after taking product what we get? So 1 into minus 2, so we get here minus 2. The product is 1i, यहाँ पे minus 4i, and यहाँ पे 2i square. Just this 1 जो है 1 ने इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई किया, आफ्टर दैट 2i ने इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई किया. नाउ वी जहाँ पे आई स्क्वेयर है वहाँ पे हमें -1 वैल्यू पुट करना है और बाकी रियल पार्ट्स इमेजिनरी पार्ट्स का एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन हमें करना है. सो -2 इज एज इट इज. सो दीज आर द इमेजिनरी पार्ट्स. सो +1 एंड -4 का आंसर आता है -3i. +2 as it is and the value of I square is -1. So -2 as it is -3i and here we get -2. So -2 here we get -4 and -3i. And now it is in the form of a plus bi. So comparing with the a plus bi. And so the a is the real part is -4 and जहाँ पे I attach है वो imaginary part होता है. So the value of b is -3. Now see the second example. So 1 plus I and 1 plus I raised to -1. So -1 जो पावर हमें दिखाई दे रही है, तो हमने ये 8th स्टैंडर्ड में भी सीखा था कि अगर m रेज टू -1 होता है तो अगर हमें इसको पॉजिटिव पावर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो हम ये कैसे लिखते थे, दैट इज़ 1/m. तो वैसे ही हम इसको भी लिखेंगे. सो ये ब्रैकेट एज इट इज़ और इसको पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट करना है तो 1/1 - i. 1 यहाँ पे लिखा तो भी चलेगा, नहीं लिखा तो भी चल सकता है. सो ये ब्रैकेट एज इट इज़ ये ऐसे ही रहेगा. इसका जो कंजुगेट पेयर है, इस कंजुगेट पेयर से हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई भी करेंगे और डिवाइड भी करेंगे. सो द कंजुगेट पेयर ऑफ 1 - i इज़ 1 + i. सो वी गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड द नंबर. तो यहाँ पे 1 + i और 1 + i. So the bracket square is there and here we again use the same formula, that is a plus b, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. तो यहाँ पर भी ऐसे ही फॉर्मूला हमें यूज़ करना है. सो a स्क्वायर मतलब 1 स्क्वायर माइनस आई स्क्वायर. तो ये ब्रैकेट एज इट इज़. सो 1 स्क्वायर इज़ 1 एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ आई स्क्वायर इज़ -1. सो यहाँ पे मुझे मिलेगा 1 + i ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर एज इट इज़ एंड 1 + 1 दैट इज़ 2. सो हाफ इन ब्रैकेट 1 + i ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर. नाउ ये जो ब्रैकेट है इसको हम ओपन करेंगे यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला a + b ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर. सो 1 स्क्वायर दैट इज़ 1. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस 2 दैट इज़ 2i and the square of the last term that is I square upon 2. So 1 + 2i, the value of I square is -1/2. And so -1 is cancelled with this +1 and so we get here 2i/2. 2 will get cancelled and so answer is I. So the answer is I. And so now we are going to compare it with the a plus bi. So 0 + i. हमारा जो आंसर है वो क्या आया है, सिर्फ i आया है. सो देर इज़ नो एनी रियल पार्ट. सो वी गोइंग टू राइट दैट इज 0 + i इज इक्वल्स टू a + bi. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ a इज 0 एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ b इज 1. Now see the third example. So I into bracket 4 + 3i upon 1 - i. So यहाँ पे ये जो i है ये इस ब्रैकेट को मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. सो वी गेट हियर 4i + 3i स्क्वायर अपॉन 1 - i. सो 4i इज एज इट इज़ प्लस 3i स्क्वायर का वैल्यू है -1/1 - i. सो 4i - 3 बिकॉज प्लस माइनस -3 अपॉन 1 - i. तो यहाँ पे आके हम क्या करेंगे, इसका जो कंजुगेट पेयर है इससे हम उसको मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करेंगे. किसी का भी ले सकते हैं, इसका भी ले सकते हैं, इसका भी ले सकते हैं. तो 1 + i एंड 1 + i से मैंने इसको मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड किया. सो देर इज़ अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस 2 ब्रैकेट्स and the denominator, in the denominator we can see the a + b and a - b type. So a square minus b square. So we're taking the product, that is 4i into 1, that is 4i. 4i plus 4i into i, that is 4i square plus 4i square. यहाँ पे -3 एंड यहाँ पे आएगा -3i अपॉन 1 - i square. So 4i as it is plus 4 into bracket, the value of I square is -1, then -3 and -3i. So 1 is as it is and we're going to put down the value of I square, that is -1. So after that 4i, this plus minus -4 -3 and -3i. So by solving this we get, that is -4 -3, so we'll get -7 and 4 -3i, that is +1i upon 2. And so here we get we're going to separate this. सो यहाँ पे कोई नहीं मतलब 1 है, सो 1/2i एंड यहाँ पे मुझे मिलेगा 7/2. एक्चुअली इट इज़ अ रियल पार्ट. सो कंपेयरिंग विद द a प्लस बी आई, तो यहाँ पे ये जो है वो रियल पार्ट है. सो रियल पार्ट ये यहाँ पे है. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ a इज़ -7/2 एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ b इज़ 1/2. So see the next example, example number 4. So in the numerator we see that is 2 plus I upon denominator is 3 minus I in second bracket 1 plus 2I. So here we are going to take the product of these two. So 3 into 1 that is 3. Next 3 into 2 that is 6I minus I and minus 2I square. So 2 plus I upon 3 plus 6 minus 1 that is 5I minus 2, the value of I square is -1. 2 plus I upon 3 plus 5I plus 2. So minus minus plus 2. So total यहाँ पे आएगा 2 plus I upon 3 plus 5I plus 2, minus minus plus 2. Now 2 plus I upon 5 that is 3 plus 2 that is 5 plus 5I, and we are going to use the conjugate of this denominator, that is 5 minus 5I upon 5 minus 5I. So we are taking the product of these two, and here we see the again the formula, that is a plus b and a minus b, and so we are going to use that is a square minus b square. So 5 square minus 5I square, and here the product of these two. So 5 2s are 10 minus 10I 5I minus 5I square. Now see 10 is as it is, minus 10I and plus 5I, so we get minus 5I. Minus 5, the value of I square is -1. 25 minus 25 into -1, and so 10 minus minus plus 5 here we get, and minus 5 is as it is. So 25 and minus minus plus 25, so total we get here 50. So 10 plus 5 that is 15 minus 5I upon 50. Now we are going to separate the terms, or we say separating the denominator, that is 15 upon 50 minus 5I upon 50. So 5 3s are and 5 10s are, 5 1s are and 5 10s are. So here we get 3 upon 10 minus 1/10I. And now comparing with the a plus bi, so what we get? So 3 upon 10 minus 1/10I is equals to a plus bi. So here we get a is equals to 3/10 and b is equals to minus 1/10. So these are all about the first 4 examples from the question number 4, and there are total 11 examples from this question number 4. So the example number 5 6 7 8 are of same type. 4 तक हमने जिस टाइप के एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व किए वैसे ही एग्जाम्पल नंबर 5 6 7 8 है, वो आप खुद से करना है. इन नेक्स्ट पीरियड विल स्टार्ट विद द एग्जाम्पल नंबर 9 10 and 11 from the same question, that is question number 4. Thank you.